How to buy BaseShake token. So this token came under this tweet from Brian Armstrong official account. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 8 hours ago and increased by 25,000% in the last 24 hours, and the market cap is $1.9 million. And this token trending number 3 in the base section on the screener. So to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, just click here to copy the token address and open your Bitget white wallet, as you can see. Now, after what you need to do, just log into your accounts. And as you can see from the top right corner, click here and make sure to select the base network. Now click on this plus icon and paste the token address in the search bar. So as you can see, this our token, click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and now click on this search icon and type it here. As you can see, BaseShake. So after you find it, what you need to do, just click on it and now click here on swap. Switch from here. From the top you can select the token. Oh, sorry, I will just switch it from here. From the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and now you can type in how much you want to buy. And as you can see, this is how much you will be able to receive the token. After that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy BaseShake token. If you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.